Welcome back to Motor Nation, your ultimate destination for honest and detailed car reviews. Today, we're diving deep into one of BMW's most luxurious and commanding SUVs, the 2025 BMW X7. Dressed in an elegant dark gray finish, this flagship SUV combines power, prestige, and precision engineering like few others in its class. Let's start with the design. The 2025 X7 retains its bold and unmistakable presence, but BMW has refined the lines even more for this model year. The signature kidney grille is massive, yet beautifully integrated with sleek adaptive LED headlamps that look both aggressive and sophisticated. The dark gray metallic paint enhances every contour, giving the SUV a commanding stance under any light. The 22-inch alloy wheels and subtle chrome touches around the windows add just the right amount of luxury without overdoing it. Around the back, the LED taillights are slimmer and sharper, connected by a chrome strip that gives the X7 a wider, more planted look. Everything about this SUV screams confidence, elegance, and power. Step inside, and the 2025 BMW X7 takes luxury to a new level. The moment you open the door, the cabin welcomes you with a combination of premium leather, crystal accents, and ambient lighting that feels almost futuristic. The dashboard design is clean and minimalistic, dominated by BMW's curved dual display setup, one for the digital instrument cluster and one for the infotainment system. Both screens are razor sharp and run the latest iDrive 9 software, which is smoother and more intuitive than ever. The center console features a crystal gear selector, brushed aluminum trim, and a floating armrest that gives the interior a sense of openness. Comfort-wise, the X7 excels. The seats are wrapped in top-grade merino leather and offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions for both front and rear passengers. Even the third row is spacious enough for adults, thanks to the clever use of interior space. The panoramic sunroof stretches across all three rows, flooding the cabin with natural light and enhancing that luxury SUV feel. BMW has also improved the acoustic insulation, making this one of the quietest cabins in its class, perfect for long drives or city cruising. Now let's talk about performance. The 2025 BMW X7 offers a range of powertrains, but the highlight is the X7 xDrive 40i with its 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, producing around 380 horsepower. If that's not enough, the M60i variant pushes out a monstrous 523 horsepower from a twin-turbo V8. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system. The acceleration is smooth and effortless, with the X7 M60i sprinting from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, not bad for a luxury SUV weighing over 2 tons. The air suspension adjusts automatically to road conditions, offering a perfect balance between comfort and handling. Whether you're gliding down the highway or taking on winding mountain roads, the X7 feels confident, composed, and surprisingly agile. In terms of technology, the 2025 X7 is loaded. You get a full suite of driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree camera, and automated parking. The infotainment supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even in-car gaming features. The premium Bowers & Wilkins sound system delivers crystal clear audio that turns every drive into a concert experience. Now, let's discuss the price. The 2025 BMW X7 starts around $83,000 for the xDrive 40i model and climbs up to around $110,000 for the high-performance M60i variant. Fully loaded with options, you can easily cross the $120,000 mark. But for that price, you're getting a combination of luxury, technology, and performance that very few SUVs in this category can match. The 2025 BMW X7 in dark gray isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's about presence, comfort, and capability, all wrapped in a beautifully engineered package. Whether you're behind the wheel or sitting in the back seat, the X7 delivers an experience that feels both powerful and serene. Thanks for watching Motor Nation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed reviews of the world's most exciting cars. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.